Space is getting crowded. Right now, there are close to 12,000 active satellites orbiting Earth. But it's not just empty space between all that important tech. Floating amongst them is 8,700 metric tons of debris, both accidentally and intentionally left behind by past space missions. And it's cruising at speeds of 17,000 miles per hour, threatening to endanger astronauts and destroy the very satellites that modern life depends on.
The space surveillance network can detect objects in low Earth orbit all the way up to geosynchronous orbit that have a minimal size of 10 centimeters cubed. Of the 47,700 objects currently that we are tracking in space, about 39% or 18,800 are considered debris.
That's almost 20,000 objects the size of a softball or larger that we need to keep track of to prevent catastrophic collisions. But that's less than 1% of the estimated total pieces of debris up there.
The remaining 99% are the debris that we don't even know where they are or how to track them.
The small debris can cause tremendous damage because of their high velocity. It's like a rifle bullet colliding with a spacecraft.
It is essentially an invisible hazard in space.
In 2024, a satellite from telecommunications provider Intelsat broke apart after what was likely a space junk collision. And in 2022, astronaut Frank Rubio saw his stay on the ISS extended after small debris punched a hole in the craft that was scheduled to take him home.
3 months since this Soyuz vehicle began leaking coolant from its heat-dissipating radiator.
The data that we provide is to inform spacecraft owner-operators to maneuver out of the way if there's a potential conjunction or collision that is incoming.
Because debris smaller than 4 inches has a smaller area and reflects less light, radar and optical telescopes used by agencies like Space Force have difficulty spotting them.
We can't maneuver or make decisions based on what we don't know, and so it is potentially an accident just waiting to happen.
And every collision in space creates more debris that can cause further havoc, fueling a chain reaction known as the Kessler Syndrome. If business continues as usual, the amount of small debris will continue to multiply in orbit and could eventually threaten the sustainability of satellite launches and space travel.
In order for us to have operations that are safe in space and can last a long time to make economic sense for stakeholders, we have to provide a very safe environment for them.